Welcome back. I hope by now you have a clear understanding of what primary and secondary data collection mean and what the data lifecycle involves. In this video, we are moving one step further to explore how we collect data. From our previous lessons, you have already seen a few examples of data collection. But I want you to pause for a moment and think, what are all the different ways we can record or collect data? If you are thinking surveys, interviews, observations, polls, and others, you are right. These are some of the popular methods. There are many valid ways to collect data, and we pick these depending on what we want to find out. Now let's look at an example. Imagine you want to understand why students feel stressed during exams. You decide to send an email asking, "How stressed are you?" Rate from 1 to 10. You receive responses 5, 7, 8, 6. Numbers. But you still don't know why they are stressed. That's because you chose the wrong collection method. In this session, we will explore 4 key data collection methods, when to use each one, how to design a survey step by step using Google Forms, and most importantly, the ethical principles that protect people when we collect information about them. Let's begin with choosing the right method. There are 4 main methods for collecting primary data. Each has a specific purpose. Method 1, surveys and questionnaires. Written questions with structured answers. When to use? You need opinions, preferences, or self-reported information from many people. You want quantifiable results. Example, how satisfied are you with school lunch? Rate 1 to 5. Advantage, reach many people quickly and response rates may be good. Limitation, people might not be honest or misunderstand questions. Method 2, interviews. One-on-one conversations, asking open questions. When to use this? You need deep understanding, stories, the why behind the behaviors. Example, tell me about a time you felt stressed during exams. What happened? Advantage, rich detail, can probe deeper. Limitation, time intensive. Interviewing people can take weeks or months. Method 3, observations. Watching and recording what people actually do. When to use? You need to see actual behavior, not what people claim they do. Example, observe how many students say they wash hands before lunch versus how many actually do. Advantage, real behavior, no bias. Limitation, observer affects behavior. People act differently when watched. Also, could be people and cost intensive. Method 4, existing sources, using data already recorded somewhere. When to use this? The information already exists in records, databases, or documents. Example, school attendance register, library borrowing logs, hospital admission records. Advantage, fast, reliable, if well maintained. Limitation, limited to what was recorded. Can't ask new questions or control quality of data. The key, match method to your research question. Now, let's build an actual survey. I'm going to show you how to create a Google form step by step. Google Form is one of the many free tools for survey. We are using it since it's pretty popular. We won't be able to use all the features of Google Form in this video, so you can explore it further on your own. This is a very useful skill. Our scenario. School library wants feedback to improve services. Step 1. Go to forms.google.com. Click the plus sign for a blank form. Step 2. Title your form. I will write School Library Feedback Survey. Step 3. Add your first question. Click where it says Untitled Question. I will ask, Which class are you in? Make it multiple choice with options. Class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th or 10th. Step 4. Add more questions. Click the plus icon on the right. Second question. How often do you use the library? Multiple choice. Daily, weekly, monthly, rarely or never. Step 5. Mix question types. Next question. What time do you prefer to visit? Use checkboxes so students can select multiple. Before school, during breaks, after school, lunch period. Step 6. Add a rating scale. Rate library facilities on cleanliness, book availability, seating comfort. Use a linear scale from 1 to 5. Step 7. Include open-ended question. What would improve your library experience? Give a short answer. Step 8. Make important questions required. Toggle the required switches for class and usage frequency. Step 9. Preview your form. Click the I icon. Step 10. Send it. Click send and share via link, Google Classroom or Gmail, or simply share over WhatsApp or email. That's it. 10 steps of working survey. In your practice activity, you will create your own. Let's do a quick recap in this video. We looked at 4 collection methods. You can select the one that is suited to your research question. Surveys reach many quickly. Interviews give depth. Observations show actual behavior. Existing sources save time when data is already recorded. Next, we saw how to create a Google form to conduct surveys and use different question types for different data needs. Multiple choice for categories, scales for ratings, short answers for open responses. Now, it's time for practice. Create a 5-question Google form about a school topic. Use at least 3 different question types. Share with classmates and colleagues and collect responses.